Hey everyone. So for my repository that I wanted to show here, I've got OpenOregon. Um, and so you go to resources, and if you haven't like looked at this yet, find it interesting that there's community college and university. It's like differentiated, but when I look at community college for social sciences, there are actually like a lot of things here, more than there were when I just clicked on university. And even for my discipline, history, there are a lot of things here, and I haven't had time to look through all of them. But as you can see, there's quite a bit here. So I'm not familiar with many of these. I am familiar with OpenStax, which I personally do not like. I've used it before. But American Yop is something that I've been looking at, and it does seem pretty cool. So I found this here. It's got a bunch of primary sources. So let's just say we want to look at colonial society. It's got your standard textbook. You can navigate up here using the different sections, and you can even go to primary sources, which is pretty cool. And you can go find letters, that people wrote. It gives you a little brief summary, and it's got the full source. Um, so that's cool. Found that here. But there's a whole bunch of stuff. Um, so I have a lot to look through to find stuff that I can use in my courses. But just to show you, like, when I click on university instead, for whatever reason, there's definitely not as much for, like, not even a full page to scroll through. So I thought that was weird, and I wonder why that is. But anyway, that's basically what I wanted to show you. Is I found a bunch of stuff for history in this OpenOregon site. All right, thanks.